Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. This right here, folks, is a wonderful flute. This is probably the most hardest piece of wood that I have ever messed with, folks. It really took some time to bore this flute out and to shape it. 50 grit sandpaper didn't hardly want to touch this flute. That's how hard it is. And it's got just a little bit of weight to it. It's actually the heaviest one I've ever done too, because the wood was so hard. But this one here has been produced from maple. Hard rump maple, folks. And I think I've done a curly maple before, quite a few curly maples, but it doesn't compare to the hardness of this flute. And as a matter of fact, on this one here, this piece of wood, it's got some circles in it, just like curly maple. I don't know if that's why it was so hard or what, but this one here is my Special Series G double drone flute tuned to 432 Hertz. And 432 Hertz is for depression and anxiety. Look at that piece of wood, folks. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Very easy on the mouth. Beautiful. I've added some genuine turquoise stones to this one. Beautiful. Look at the color on it. Beautiful piece of maple. This is a one-piece flute. The flutes themselves have not been split. They have not been split, folks. These are one-piece flutes. And the way I designed them, it gives it a different sound than when you put it all together. It just gives it a different sound, and it has my wolf fetishes on it with genuine turquoise eyes. I wrapped it with very soft black deer leather. This is my 9-hole drone. I forgot to mention that, which you can see there. I have straps on it of leather, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful flute, folks. Look at it, even on the bottom on it. Beautiful. But it took some time to make this one, folks. This was the hardest one I have ever done. And I've messed with some hard woods, but this one here, it takes the cake. But I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like. I played a little bit with the leather cup, with the leather covering the three holes on the drone side, and then I'll remove the leather. I'll twist it. You don't have to slide this leather down, folks. You can just twist it, and it'll serve the same purpose. It's actually more quicker. And if you bear with me, I'll play it like this here, and then like I said, I'll twist the leather and I'll play it like that and let you hear it. But it sounds pretty good to me. Very hard wood. G, 432 Hertz. sound beautiful. I'm going to just twist the leather. All you got to do is just twist it and carry it down just a little bit like that. Just twist it off like that. And the top, you can just twist the top like so. See? Now I got the leather off. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you would like to have one like this, folks, I'll leave the link below this video. And this flute is just truly amazing. You can do so much more with it than what I did. And I hope you enjoyed it, folks. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I wouldn't have been here if it wasn't for you, folks. I started out back in 2010, and that's quite a ways from 2024. So, thank you so much. Get you one of these here and let me know what you think. The wood is absolutely gorgeous. If it did take me a while on it, because it was so hard, the wood was so hard. But sometimes good things is always worth waiting for. And I know my buddy's going to like this one. Have a good one, folks. Middle tone G, 432 Hertz. Thank you so much. Don't forget, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you a thing. See you later.